Hello everyone! We will start off by drawing these multiple circles that increase in side by side. Now, starting with the top two circles, connect them with this shape. Make the top two circles the eyes and then fill them in using the same marker. Leave a few circles uncolored in order to make it look like the eyes are glistening. Now connect the rest to make it look like the hands and the feet. Draw the ears on the side and you have yourself an elephant. Add the little lines such as the lines of the ears and then add on the tail as well. Next, we will start off by drawing a bamboo shoot and afterwards we will draw the number 9. Now add the ears at the top, add the eyes, sculpt it in as you please, and then add a cute little smile to it. Now color in the hands and the legs. Add a little bushy tail at the back and then finish up the bamboo shoot. Add the lines to it along with the leaves. This will be a little panda. Color it in green and black accordingly. Write the word cat to begin with on a sheet and now continue on and make a circular shape on top of the T, add eyes to it and then ears as well. Add a cute little face along with the whiskers. Connect each part of it and then make a cat out of this. Make the front legs and then make the top, the rest of the body and then the back the tail. Add on little shapes and patterns to your cat. You may color it if you want to. Next, start off by drawing two circles, connect it to a larger circle and then make the top two circles the eyes. Draw a little antenna to it and then proceed to draw oval shapes behind it in order to make your worm. After this, draw on little legs to each of your circles, then make a leaf in front of it. Add the detailing to the leaf and make it look like your worm has chewed the leaf. Fill in your caterpillar with green. Next, we will start off by drawing a pair of ears. Afterwards, draw the rest of the bunny and then give it the hands and the legs as well. Add a cute little facial expression to your bunny and after this, make it look like it is holding a carrot at the bottom. Now add the top of the greens, add the lines to the side and then add a bushy little tail to it. Now using a pink marker, color in the ears as such. Color in the cheeks as well and then take an orange marker and color in the rest of the carrot as such. This will be the final look of your drawing. Start off by drawing the mouth and then connect it at the back. Now add little wings at the back as well. Add the horn in the front. Now add the frills at the back. Add a cute little smile and then draw on the eye and then add hands and color this in as you please in multiple colors. Next, draw these 4 different type of 9s. Starting with the first 9, draw a wing on one of the sides and then make a belly out of it, make it into a bird, add the beak at the top. For the second 9, we will be drawing a panda out of it. Draw the legs and the hands at the bottom and then color it in black and white. Add the ears at the top. Now for our next 9, we will be making a giraffe out of it. Add the patterns as such on it. As for our last 9, we will be making a little bunny out of it, holding a carrot as such. Add the bushy little tail at the back and add the detailing to the carrot. Next, we will start off by drawing multiple circles one beside the other. Now on top of this, add another circle along with ears, add the eyes and then add the rest of the body right behind this. Now for 2 of the circles, add multiple dots, make it into a dog. Thank you for watching.